we are in lesson number 5. So in the textbook we have completed the part and now we are going to do it in the practice book. So take out your practice book, be ready with it and take out a pencil, open page number 133. So the lesson number 5 is the human skeleton and muscular system. So we have learned about the different topics under human skeleton and the muscles. About the bones we have learned and about the muscles we have learned from the textbook. Now we are going to do the objective part which is there in the practice book. So as usual, how you have done the previous part. So worksheet 1, worksheet 2 I am going to tell you. Now on the worksheet 3, that is the easy one, that is page 135, I will tell you the answers. Then 136 and 137 will be your homework. Okay. So get ready with your pencil and your practice book. Worksheet number 1. So match the words in column 1 with the best match in column 2. So 2 columns are given here. Let me read out. Skeleton system, newborn baby, skull, bones, backbones, rib cage, breastbone, humerus, femur, the 33 small bones called vertebrae. Then the other side in column 2 you have also known as the spine, hard from outside but soft and spongy from inside. This bone is called as the sternum, known as the vertebral column, a long bone in the thigh, a backbone in the upper arm. A framework of bones that holds our body together, has more than 300 bones, made up of 22 bones, protects important organs such as heart and lungs. So now you have to write the answers for this. Okay, so just match it. So here after the first one, that is the skeleton system, you can give bracket and write the following letter over there. So the first one is skeleton system. So what is the answer for skeleton system? It is G, a framework of bones that holds our body together. So first one is G. First one is G. Give a bracket and write G. Then second one, a newborn baby. A newborn baby has 300 bones. They have more than 300 bones. So it is option H. It is option H. Then third one is skull. So skull, it is made up of 22 bones. Skull is made up of 22 bones. So it is option I. Then fourth one, bones. So bones are hard from outside but soft and spongy from inside. So outer it is very hard, but inside if you see they are like hollow bones and inside liquid is filled. So they are very soft. So it is option B. And fifth one, backbone. Backbone is also called as spine. It is also called as spine. So it is option A. Then sixth one. The sixth one is rib cage. So rib cage, it protects important organs such as heart and lungs. So where is rib cage present? It is present in our chest cavity. Okay, it looks same like a cage. So it's going to protect the heart and lungs, and the letter here is J. Then seventh one, that is the breastbone. So here the answer is, this bone is also known as the sternum. That is option C. So breastbones are also called as sternum. Then eighth one is humerus. So humerus answer is the bone in the upper arm. A bone in the upper arm. So what is the answer? The eighth answer is F. F. Then ninth one, femur bone. So femur bone is the longest bone in the thigh. So not only the longest bone in the thigh, if you compare the whole body, femur bone is the longest among all the bones. So the ninth one is E. And the 10th one, the 33 small bones called vertebrae. So for this the answer is the vertebral column. It is the vertebral column. All the 33 bones, they join one each other and it is called as vertebral column. So the 10th one is option D. Option D. Once again I am reading the answers. Please check it. First one is G. Second one is H. Third one is I. Fourth one is B. Fifth one is A. Sixth one is J. Seventh one is C. Eighth one is F. Ninth one is E. 10th one is D. Okay. Now these are the answers. Moving on to worksheet number 2. So page number 134. Page 134. So here fill in the blanks are given and 2 answers are also given to you. You have to choose the suitable answer. So the first one is, our body has over dash muscles spread all over. How many muscles do we have? We have 600 muscles. The first one is 600. Okay, underline the answer and write it in the given blank. Then second one, muscles are attached to bones by tissues known as. So muscles are attached to bones by tissues and they are called as tendons. So all the muscles, they are attached to the bone by a tissue which is called as tendons. Then third one, the muscular system consists of dash types of muscles. So voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles. So total 3 types of muscles are there. So write down 3. Then fourth one, muscles that are under our control are known as. So the muscles which are under our control are known as voluntary muscles. They are known as voluntary muscles. Then voluntary muscles have dash on them. So what do voluntary muscles have? They have strips, that is the lines. So they have the strips like this. So the fifth one is strips. Voluntary muscles have strips on them. Then sixth one, involuntary muscles are also called as dash muscles. Involuntary muscles are also called as smooth muscles. They are also called as smooth muscles. We dash control the muscles that are responsible for the flow of blood, movement of food and breathing. So whenever we are breathing, whenever we are swallowing the food, so some muscles, they are doing their work automatically. So we can control or we cannot control. We cannot control. So write down cannot. We cannot control these kind of muscles. Then eighth one, cardiac or voluntary muscles are the strongest of all the muscles. So which are the strongest muscles? Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are the strongest muscles. Then ninth one, our heart is made up of dash muscles. Our heart is made up of cardiac muscles once again. This is the ninth one. Okay, so 8th and 9th answers are same, cardiac. Then 10th one, muscles and dash together produce movement in our body. So whenever we are moving our body along with the muscles, what are going to move? The bones are going to move because muscles and bones are attached together. So last answer is bones. The last answer is bones. Okay, so these are the answers. Once again I am going to repeat. Please check. The first one is 600. Second one is tendons. Third one is Fifth one is strips. Sixth one is smooth. Seventh one is cannot. Eighth one, ninth one are cardiac. And 10th one is bones. So these are the answers. Then moving on to next bit. Okay, so under worksheet 3, I am going to tell you the first one. Okay, that is the easy one. So whenever I am reading, you just note down the answers. Okay, so page number 135. A puzzle is given. Below that, hints are given, and below the hints, answers are also given. Okay, so whenever I am reading the hint, okay, under that you write down the answer near the question. Okay, now under across. Under across, the third one is, okay, you have 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. So these are the questions which you have under across. Next, under down, what do you have? You have 1, you have 2, you have 4 and you have 8. Okay, so these are the questions. Now what is there here under across the third question? This is formed by a pair of pelvic girdles. Okay, this is formed by a pair of pelvic girdles and that is hip. Okay, so here we have backside in the shape of a C and it looks like a cup. So this is nothing but we call it as hip. Then below the hip you have the fifth one, also known as spine. So the spine is also known as backbone. It is also known as backbone. So the spellings are there down in the hint box. You can see and write. In the text and the practice book, you have the spellings. You can see and write. So now near the question, you just mention the answers. Later you can write it in the puzzle box. Then sixth one. The smallest bone in the human body. The smallest bone in the human body is stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S. And the longest bone is the femur bone. And the shortest is the stapes bone. Okay, then seventh one. Tissues that attach muscles to the bone. So this we have done it in the previous bit also. And they are called as tendons. They are called tendons. So a tissue which joins the muscles and the bones, we call it as tendons. Then ninth one. These are bow-shaped bones. Okay, bow-shaped bones means like semicircle bone. Okay, bow will be like this one, isn't it? So they are present near the chest cavity. So they are called as rib cage, or we also call it as ribs. R-I-B-S. So that bones we call it as ribs. The complete part we call it as a rib cage. Then 10th one, long bone in the thigh. The long bone in the thigh is called as femur bone. F-E-M-U-R, femur bone. Then under down, the tissue that holds the bones together. The tissue that holds all the bones together is called as ligament. It's called as ligament. The tissue which joins the bones and muscles is called tendons, and the tissue which joins two bones is called as ligament. Then the second one, the place where two bones meet. Okay, the place where two bones meet, we call it as joint. We call it as a joint. Okay, so this is a bone and here we have a bone. This bone, they meet at a place at this, we call it as joint. Then fourth one, a framework of bones that holds all our body together, and it is called as skeleton. So this skeleton is going to protect our body parts and it gives a proper shape to our body. And the last eighth one, another name for voluntary The another name for voluntary muscle, it is called as stripped muscle because it has lines on it. So it is also called as stripped muscle. So write only stripped. Okay. So these are the answers. So once again I am repeating. Under across, the third one is hip. Then fifth one is backbone. Then sixth one is stapes. Seventh one is tendons. Ninth one is ribs. 10th one is femur. Next, under down, the first one is ligament. Second one is joint. Fourth one is skeleton. Eighth one is strip. Okay, these are the answers. Now, what you have to do? Now, wherever these answers are there. Now, under across, that is the third one. See where is number 3 in the puzzle. So, from your left side to right side, you have to write one letter in one box. Okay, so that is your work for work. And then, if you see page number 136. So in page 136, a puzzle is given, hint is given. Okay, just look at the hint and write down the answers. What answers you have to write? Same what you have written here in the previous page. Same answers you have to write in page 136. Then in page number 137, answers are given and you have to write the hints. What hints you have to write? What hints are there here? The same hints you have to write in this page. Okay, and how the letters are arranged here, same letters you have to arrange here in the previous page. Okay, so your homework is do page 136, 137 in practice book. Okay, so page number 136 and 137 is your homework. So how you have done 135, in the same way you should do 136 and 137. So with this we have completed lesson 5 completely in the textbook and practice book. Hope you all have written the new words. Then wherever we have mentioned the diagrams, please draw it towards the white column of the page. Okay, so towards the answer, in the same exact opposite page you have to draw the diagrams. Okay, and if possible with color pencils you can color it, and after the diagram is done, towards the right side. Okay, if you have done the diagram, if here you have done some diagram, okay, towards the right hand side you have to label, and after labeling you draw a box. Okay, after labeling you have to draw a box like this. Okay, so it looks very good, and if possible you can color it. Okay, new words you have to write, keywords you have to write, and question and answers you have to write. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet with a fresh lesson in the next class. Thank you.